Hi guys, how are you all? I am Asad from Iqonic Design and let's continue with the FlutterViz series. So today in this video we will see how to overlap a widget, or I would say wrap a widget, and how to add a child widget to it, and many more features that are available in FlutterViz. So let's start with it. So firstly, we will be on our main page of FlutterViz. I will add a widget column in it, then I will add some tags. I am adding 4 different text layers to it. Now I will just simply change the name of it. I am giving names to 2 different texts, that is text1 and text2 text2. So first thing is, in FlutterViz you can't directly do wrapping or move a widget up and down. You can either use right click or you can use arrow keys to move it up and down. Now we'll simply right click on a text and you can see this dialog is open where we have wrap widget, move up, move down, then delete widget. You can simply get this dialog where you have option to wrap with different kinds like container, column, row, card, stack, list view, grid, and many more. You can select any of it, but this option can change according to the widget you have. Now I will just select container for the text one, and the similar thing I will do with the text too. I will just make it a container. Now I will go and add a child widget to that container by just clicking to this add child widget. This has been added now as we have added the container. Now we have all this option to add a child widget. So you saw how we have added the child widget. Now let's see how to move a widget up. So I will just right click and click on move up, and it will simply go up. I can move it up, more up, that is here. Then I can move it down, more down, and at the last. So this is how you can use move up and down. Then we have clear currency in data option, which will help you to remove all the data from the screen. The difference between the delete button and this button is delete button will completely remove your screen from the project, but this button will simply remove the data of the screen. Your screen will be remain there. So that's the difference. It is very useful when you mess up something in your widgets. It will just clear, and clicking on clear it will just remove, but your screen is still there. You can see that. So this is what is useful in FlutterViz, like how can you wrap a widget. You can also clear your data from it, and then you can add a child widget and you can move your widget up and down, which is so easy to use. Just you need to know how to do it. So we'll be back with another tutorials in FlutterViz. You just simply wait for us. Until then, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And you can also follow us on our social media accounts, and you can also check out our blogs about FlutterViz or any other product available in Iqonic Design. So till then, hasta la vista.